we just package up a whole bunch of donated foods into one bag, and the cars will pull up. They come up with 1 or 2 tickets, sometimes 3, and the amount of tickets they come up with, we just hand out 3 bags of turkeys.
And go from there to help the community, giving back.
It's like you said, nice to give back to the community. You know, we grew up here, so
I just love giving back. I love doing my part. One step at a time, we could change the world for the better.
So today we started off by packing up the bags of turkey, stuffing, and cans to give away to people, and now we are handing them out to the cars. It's a very interesting production. We've got a lot of hands in here, and it's good to help out everybody. Well, I have a sister with special needs, so I always love helping out the community. It's so beautiful to see how other people help her out, so I feel like I am obligated to go out and help whenever I can.